Hi, this is Eve, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel and you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. In this video, I am going to discuss another writing tip, and that is to master modifiers. Why do you need to master your modifiers? How will it be able to help you? Number one, if you're a writer or a speaker, this can help you clarify the meaning of what you want to tell your audience. Second, if you're reading, this can help you understand what you're reading by removing the ambiguity in the text that you're reading. Third, if you'll be taking uh, your college admission test, usually they will require you to take a test in English or communication. Or if you are applying for a job, they will also ask you to take a test that will measure your skills in English communication. So this will be very helpful for you because these tests usually, or most of the time, will ask you to identify an error in a sentence. Generally, the sentences contain modifiers that are dangling or misplaced. So mastering modifiers is an important skill. In this video, I am going to define modifiers, give you examples of misplaced modifiers, and how to correct these errors. So first, what are modifiers? From the root word modify, meaning change, modifiers change the sentence in a way by limiting, quantifying, or giving more details. The purpose of using modifiers is to clarify or to give emphasis about the word or words uh, the words or words in the sentence. So I'll give you more details about this later on. What can be used as modifiers? So one, adjectives can be modifiers. In this example, the yellow dress is mine. The adjective yellow is the modifier and it modifies the word dress. So you're not talking of the blue dress or the red dress. You are talking of the yellow dress. Adverbs can also be used as modifiers. In this example, I firmly believe that this yellow dress is mine. The adverb here firmly modifies the verb believe, and this is used to emphasize that I have no doubts, I have no second thoughts about it. I firmly believe that this yellow dress is mine. I'm sure. Phrases can also act as modifiers. In this example, the lady in yellow dress is my mom. The phrase in yellow dress is a limiting modifier. So imagine that your mom is in a crowd and you can pinpoint right away which one is your mom. Your mom is not the one wearing the maroon dress or the green dress. The one in yellow is your mom. You're not talking of other ladies. Lastly, clauses can also be used as modifiers. In this example, I can easily recognize my mom because she wears the yellow dress. So the phrase or the clause, because she wears a yellow dress, tells why I can easily recognize my mom. So it clarifies, it adds details. So now that we're through with defining what a modifier is or what can be used as modifiers, we will now discuss what errors are usually committed when using modifiers. There are three types of faulty usage of modifiers. One is misplaced modifiers. Two, dangling modifiers, and 3, squinting modifiers. They may sound, you may be overwhelmed by these terms, but do not worry that you do not know the differences of these 3. What matters most is that you can recognize them and correct them when you write. For this video, I will discuss misplaced modifiers only. The other 2 I will talk about in my next video. So one of the common errors in writing is the use of misplaced modifier. As the name suggests, the modifier is not in its right location. So let's read. The example is, the blue man's car is new. In this example, it appears that there is a blue man and he owns a new car, which is physically and realistically impossible unless you are one of the characters in the movie Avatar. So if you really mean this, you may leave the sentence as is. But if you mean a different one, that is, you mean that the car is blue and not the man, you have to place the modifier blue beside car. You have to change the place. So again, the purpose of modifiers, of the use of modifiers, to make your sentence clear. But if misplaced, they will do the opposite and may sometimes make your sentences humorous. So you place it where it will be clear what word are you modifying. Okay, another example. Right after swimming, I played with my dog wearing my bikini. In this example, it is unclear what is modified by the phrase wearing my bikini. Is it I or my dog? Because in this sentence, it appears that my dog is wearing my bikini. So imagine how my dog would look like wearing my bikini. So to prevent ambiguity, you have to move the modifier near the word it modifies, or near the word or words it modifies. So in this way, it is clear that it is I who is wearing the bikini and not the dog. In this example, in this sentence, right after swimming and while still wearing my bikini, I played with my dog. So that clarifies it. It is clear now who wears the bikini. The key is if you want to modify, you have to place or write that modifier either before or after the word you want to modify. So if you make a sentence like this, be careful also with the punctuation marks. So because that will also be another reason for errors in your sentence. So for more tips on using punctuation marks, you can check my other video. I will put the link in the description box. Okay, another example. Only Edward wants to eat ice cream. So there's nothing really wrong here. You just should know what you mean. So here, only is near the word Edward. So meaning it modifies the word Edward. In this example, it appears that no other person, only Edward, wants to eat ice cream. But if you mean another, so because if you change the location of the word only, you also change the meaning of the sentence. So in this example, Edward wants to eat ice cream only. It is now, the modifier only is now near the word ice cream. So it modifies the word ice cream now. Meaning, Edward does not want to eat other food except ice cream. Maybe the scenario is there's spaghetti, pizza, ice cream, and burger on the table, but Edward does not want to eat the spaghetti, the burger, and the pizza. He only wants to eat ice cream. So that is the meaning of this sentence. So you see, by changing the location of the word, you change the meaning. So be careful where you place the modifier. In exams, you may be given a sentence like this, and you will be asked to identify the meaning of the sentence. So what you need to do is to check where the modifier is, and that will help you clarify the idea of that sentence. So we're done. So if you want to avoid misplacing your modifiers, you need to move it or to place it near the word it modifies. How should I say this? Thank you for watching very much, or thank you very much for watching. I hope that by now you know the difference. Bye.